Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Just have a look. This is the Google Street View, and it is also a 3D model. At the same time, you can see this is a UV sphere. It is a 3D model. At the same time, you can use it as a Street View. How to make this? How to just make the Google Street View to become a 3D model that you can use it in any other 3D software like this. For example, this is iClone 8. You can see the whole Street View already become a 3D model UV sphere inside the iClone 8. At the same time, I can just let you see this is the Unreal Engine. You can see in the Unreal Engine, the Street View already inside the Unreal Engine game scene. This is exactly that Street View just now. And now it already become a 360-degree panorama just inside the game. And in the Unreal Engine, it is a static mesh. It is a UV sphere as well. It is just a sphere 3D model where you can just see the Street View is surrounded if you are inside the 3D model. It is really a 3D model with the Street View texture. The original Street View is from here. This is in Singapore, Panorama Coast Road, and I already just downloaded as a Street View as a equi-rectangular map. At the same time, I already made this as the texture inside an FBX file, and this is exactly a 3D model that I'm going to show you how to make this 3D model so that you can use it in any other 3D software, any games, or any 3D animation scene, or any of the 3D modeling showcase. So here I'm going to really show you all the step-by-step start from now. Let's go. Before I explain the real details, I'm going to just show you the overview. You need to have the Street View download 360 degree. At the same time, you need to go to the googlemaps.com, the maps.google.com, and enter any of the Street View and copy the URL. And we are going to use the Street View download 360 degree, paste the URL here, and download as a picture. So once you already get this picture from the Street View, you need to have another software that is called Blender. Just by using the Blender, call out a UV sphere. And the UV sphere texture, we are going to use exactly the Street View texture, the Street View equi-rectangular map. Paste this texture on the UV sphere, then it will become a 360-degree panorama. At the same time, we need to set the roughness and also set the self-illumination and export as FBX. Once you already get the FBX file, from the FBX file, you can drag into any other 3D software like the iClone, Unreal Engine, Unity, etc. So for each of the software, you need to set up separately because every software have their own GUI, their own rules. So you may just go to any other software to just set it automatically or just set it manually. Then you can use it in your 3D animation scene or just use it in your Unreal Engine game scene, the game engine, etc. So now I really want to show you all the real details how to make this. Let's go. The first step, go to my video description. I already provide a link to download the Street View download 360 degree. You just need to scroll down and just download from Gumroad or just download from my website. Alright, once you already downloaded, then just open it. You can see, just open and go to the Street View download 360 degree. This is an application, this is an app, and you can just skip the update. Just click later and close the folder. And the next step, you need to go to the Google Map, the maps.google.com. From here, you can just go and get any of the Street View. Just for example, I just scroll through the map and just need to click on the road. Then you can see the Street View is at the bottom. Click. Now this is the Google Street View. To download it, you need to copy the URL link. Just press Ctrl C to copy. Press here, Ctrl A, select all, then Ctrl C to copy this. And back to the Street View panorama here. The Street View download 360 degree. Paste the URL link at here. Ctrl V to paste. And then here, the path to save the file, you need to just choose. And as demo, I will choose my desktop. And this is the file name. I click save. The resolution, I choose the highest and click download the panorama. just wait for a few seconds. It is going to download the street view into my desktop. Exactly, it will download as the PNG or JPG image. For this case, it is a JPG. Wait for a few seconds. Now it's almost done, and you can see it already downloaded as a JPG. This is the texture of the UV sphere. This is a equirectangular map. So now, what you need to do to make it as a 3D model, you just need to open Blender. And for today's latest version, the Blender 5.1, I'm going to just use the Blender 5.1 as the converting tools to just make the UV sphere texture to become a 3D model. So from here, I just need to click the empty area and just press A and press delete to delete everything. Next, add a mesh, add a UV sphere from here. So you can see it is so rough. So for this UV sphere, you can just make the segment more. For example, the segment I put 100, and the rings I put about 50. The radius, I will just maintain it. So now it will become more smooth in this way. Alright, then I click here. This is to just show all the material texture. So click the mesh, click the material. We are going to just add one material. The base color, we click the yellow dot and choose image texture and open the image texture from the desktop. That is the equirectangular map. Okay, now you can see now it already become the street view already inside the Blender. So this UV sphere, we can do some more adjustment. The roughness is 0.5. We can just make it become 0 or more. We are going to just make it become 1. The roughness become 1 so that there's no light reflections over there. So now this is the street view. This is a UV sphere. This is a 360-degree panorama if you are inside the sphere. Now you can see the street view is already here. So next we are going to export it as FBX file. The FBX is a 3D model. I click File, Export, FBX, and I will just export it on my desktop here. Just make this as the file name street view 01. The path mode, you have to choose copy and highlight this, the embed the texture. This is to make sure all of the material texture embedded inside the FBX file exported. I click export FBX. Now it is going to export as the FBX file. So now you can see, now this is a standalone FBX file. And this is Windows 10. I already installed the FBX viewer. If I double click the FBX, I can view the whole street view in this way. You can see. And of course, I cannot just view from the inside. If I view from the inside, I can't see anything. So you may just need to have other 3D software like the iClone or Maya, the Unreal Engine, etc. And we are going to test it. Just for example, now I'm going to open the iClone. The iClone 8.7. Just wait for a few seconds here. Okay, so now this is iClone 8. I'm going to just press Ctrl G to just turn on the grid. I'm going to drag in the FBX file to have a test. I drag and drop the FBX file into here. I click Convert All. Now this is another 3D software, what we call the iClone 8. We just want to test the street view. So now the street view is already inside this software. So I double click it, I press R to just make it bigger, and I'm going to scroll and now already go inside into the street view. So now you can see this is exactly the street view, and of course the texture, I'm going to just make it have the self-illumination. Drag and drop, then go in. Now everything will just look really clear inside the iClone 8 3D animation software. You can see this is exactly the street view. And now you are inside the UV sphere. If I scroll now, come out from there, this is the UV sphere. You can just view from different angles of the sphere. Alright, it is really easy. Oh. Okay. And we are going to test it in one more software. Just for example, the Unreal Engine. This is Epic Game Launcher. I'm going to launch the Unreal Engine and have a look. Now the Unreal Engine is launching. Okay, I just need to create a fresh new game project from here, a third-person game project, and just create, and we just want to test the Street View FBX, the FBX file. We are going to test it in Unreal Engine 5.7 as well. Okay, so now this is the Unreal Engine 5.7. I'm going to just create a new folder here, name this as Street View. And then I'm going to just import the FBX file and have a look, just drag and drop and import it. We are going to have a look what will happen to the whole Street View. It is a static mesh, and if I double click it, it is going to show in that way. And now you can see it is not two-sided, so I may just make sure that I check the material. Now, what is that? That is a material instance. We are going to just click and just press delete and force delete it. And I just create a new material. Right click material, just a new material for the Street View 01, and I just enter 2 times. For this one, I make sure I take the two-sided, and then I import the Street View texture in that way. Then here I just need to connect the RGB to the base color, and also the emissive color, the RGB to the emissive color, and have a check. Now I just want to save and test it. Just test the static mesh. This is the static mesh. And the material, I'm going to just assign the material just now, the Street View 01. So now have a look. Now you can see the Street View already inside the Unreal Engine 5.7. So of course this is not big enough. I'm going to just make it bigger, close it. The Street View 01. Wait. For this one, I'm going to just set the collision as none. Just make it no collision. Alright, so I click save, close, drag this to the game scene, and just make sure it is big enough. Now this is Street View 01. I'm going to just set the size, lock the scale to make sure it is 400. Now you can see it already become a panorama outside of the whole scene. It is really easy and really awesome. Alright. Okay, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to export the Google Street View as a 3D model, how to make it as a 3D model, the FBX file, so that you can use it in any other 3D software like the Blender, like the iClone, Unreal Engine, etc. It will become a 360-degree panorama 3D model that you can use it anywhere, something like this. The whole Street View already inside the computer, and it already become a 3D model that you can use it anytime. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, or sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!